What's up? Welcome back to Prominence. That's what I'm thinking of calling the channel, as my friend pitched in the idea and I actually kind of liked it for the channel. So tell me what you guys think, if I should change it or if I should keep it, because I think it's pretty catchy. So what I'm gonna be doing today is an install on my car, and I'm sorry I didn't post anything last week because I didn't have anything to install for either of the cars. Parts are coming in late, and yeah. So first I'm gonna be washing my car. It's real dirty. Water spots there. It's pretty dusty. I mean, I give my car a rinse at my job with spotless free water, but just doesn't do its justice. So I'll give it a wash and then we'll hop on to the install. And I also gotta fix my daily, the Green Hornet. But first, car wash, then the install my car, and then the clutch line for the Green Hornet. Alright, I'm gonna do a little time lapse, or maybe a cinematic movie or a clip of me washing the car. So I'll start that right now. Alright, we just finished cleaning up the car. Look at all those swirls. Sheesh. Alright, I'm gonna just clean the mess up and we'll start getting ready for the install for my car. I'm gonna start this install. First things first, I'm gonna pop the hood. And we're working all the way down there. It's gonna be kind of hard to see when we install it. Alright, now that my car's cleaned, we're gonna install a part for my car. It's specified for the N54, the N55, and the S55 engine. It's a part from Kies Motorsports. It's not paid promo, but we basically have to take off the harmonic balancer and put that thing. It's to prevent crank hub spinning from and preventing engine damage. So we'll start on that. Do you wanna? What should? I mean, we have to take off the engine filter. Get T15s, I think they are. What do you mean these two?
Cause like.
Alright, don't lose them. Get the other one. And then there's this. Okay, there's that. Alright. Damn, I need a new engine filter. Holy shoot. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna have to release the tension on the belt. Here, let me take a picture of how the belt looks, because we're gonna have to put it back on after. Okay, it's locked in place, and then now we can take off the belt.
Alright guys, well, he takes out the belt. I'm gonna tell you, or you'll see why I didn't wash my car. Because I watched the Saturday. The video was supposed to go up Saturday, but there was nothing in plan. Nothing came. Look, she's all washed up. Looking good. Still haven't got rid of these swirl marks. Alright, let's go back.
Alright, now that I have the belt off, you always want to check if there's any cracks or anything. And I don't see any. As you see right there, I've checked the whole thing. I was gonna replace it. I might just wait till I do all my maintenance work on my car. So this is your belt. Next is the harmonic balancer, which is way down there. This thing right here. And there's a couple bolts. There's one. There's two. Alright, now that I got it cleaned off, this is what it removed. So that's why you should just take precautions and just clean it. Alright, now that I got that in, I'm gonna hand tight the bolts, and then I'm gonna make sure you guys always hand tight first, because I've had experiences in the past. And make sure it's going in the correct way, because I cross-threaded, stripped a bolt. Good thing it was not in a hard to reach spot. Alright, now that I have that all cleaned off, I'm gonna put the harmonic balancer in. It's kind of difficult. You have to get it in through here.
fix it. You just fucking fix it like it needs it. Like in there.
Hector. We're not done yet. We still need all 7 of the bolts. That thing was hard. We got one of them in, so that way it can hold the harmonic balancer. Now we just gotta find all the bolts that we dropped. So we're gonna find them, and then we're gonna start putting hand tightening all of them in. It was pretty hard. Alright, so I got all of them hand tight in. So I couldn't find the torque sequence, or I mean, yeah, the torque sequence for the harmonic balancer. But it's basically, I took a picture of it, and it's start pattern. Yeah, well that's the sequence for the harmonic balancer, and I'm gonna tighten them all up, and then we'll put the belt on right after. Alright, so the belt gave me a little bit of trouble, so I realized that you have to put it on the harmonic balancer first, and then next your water pump, and then onto your alternator. Your alternator is going to be last. So once you got that done, it's your T55. Alright, I got all the bolts pretty tight. So now to put on the belt for the car. Take off your drill bit if you use the drill bit. And there you want to double check that everything's seated properly, especially down here where the harmonic balancer is at. Remember that lip that I was telling you that it's not so great, where it can just slide off? You want to make sure that it's in that. It's pretty easy and stuff. What do you think, Hector? Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, well, that's how you do a crane guard seal. We were gonna work on the Green Hornet, but AutoZone didn't have my part. They said FedEx lost my my clutch line, but other than that, so I started up the car. Everything looks fine. Everything sounds fine. I was just kind of scared that something was gonna happen, but hey, sometimes you gotta have confidence in your work. What's up, Ace? But yeah, like I said, it was pretty good install. I'm happy with it, that it all turned fine. So we'll catch you in the next video.